Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Goodyear Credit Card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser to begin. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in Goodyear Credit Card Login. Soon after you do that, press the enter on your keyboard. On the next page where all of the search results are displayed, click on this first link that says Goodyear Credit Card Login or Apply. Once you click on that link, you'll be able to open up a new tab. Simply go ahead and in the sign on area, type in your user ID in the first text box. After you are done with it, if you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on this Remember My User ID box before moving on. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave this box unchecked and head over to the next field where it says Password. Make sure to type in your password correct as well. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can click on Retrieve User ID link beneath the sign-on button. Similarly, if you forget your password and you are stuck in the login area, click on Reset Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you are done typing in your credential and you'd like to log into your account, click on the Sign On button. That is how you'll be able to log into your Goodyear credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.